Man, 2025 just flew by, and we're about to enter a brand new year in 2026. And why not make 2026 your best year, the best version of you? Feeling better, looking better, and performing better. Having optimal health. Without health, you have nothing. You're not doing your hobbies, you're not with your loved ones, you're not working, nothing, right? So make that number one priority. But set some other goals for yourself. And make sure you're always pushing the needle every single day to go forward. Don't stay stagnant, don't regress. Make sure you keep pushing it forward. If something happens, get up, dust yourself off, and move forward again, right? Even stronger, with more conviction. And I'm telling you, health drives this. With optimal health, you'll be better all the way around, right? Sexually, mentally, physically, emotionally. And with this all coming together, you will be the best version of you. Like a race car that's fine-tuned. Everything's dialed in. Everything's working harmonic balance. Think about this in your body. Your body's just like that. So make sure all systems are perfect. And at that point, you will be the best version of you. You will perform your best in every single way. And you will love life. And that's what we should be about here. Loving life every single day. A lot of people wake up, have no energy. They feel down every single day. Don't make that you. And if that is you, turn it around in 2026. And with this, Titan Medical Center makes it real simple and easy with gift certificates that you can give for your loved ones, your family members, or your friends. So help them and help yourself be optimal every single day. Contact Titan Medical Center at 727-389-3220.